Welcome to training on the UCAS Customer Administration Portal. This video will cover how to edit and maintain schedules. During this video, we'll cover schedules, and by the end of the lesson, you will learn how to create a new schedule and edit an existing schedule, and learn how to set recurring events. This lesson is meant to show specifically how to administer schedules in the system. Further videos will cover other call flow essentials. In this lesson, we will focus on just one tab. We will focus on the Schedules tab. Once a schedule has been created, it can be applied to certain services, such as hunt groups and auto attendants, to direct to other services during pre-planned events, such as after hours or holidays. With the Schedules tab, you can create and manage custom schedules. Then you can apply these to services like hunt groups in the Services tab later. The Schedules widget works much like an Outlook calendar to create and manage schedules. Looking closely at the Schedules widget, you can see a list of established schedules. The name is created when the schedule is built, and every schedule must have a unique name. You can delete schedules that are no longer needed with the delete link. It will give you an error if you try to delete a schedule that is active on a service in the PBX, so you can't accidentally delete one that is being used. You can also choose to edit schedules with the Edit link. Lastly, you can create a new schedule with the New Schedule button at the bottom. Creating a new schedule and editing an existing one will access the same window. Let's press Edit on the Bill After Hours schedule and see what is there. The first thing you will see is a calendar view. The darkened areas represent positive events, or the times when the schedule would direct the call away from the normal path. When you build an after-hours schedule, for instance, you will want to have these events express the times when the office is closed. You can edit the schedule name here, and remember that every schedule must have a unique name. If you don't give it a unique name, you will get an error, and it won't let you save. Use the Add Event button to open the event dialog to add a new event. You can also double-click on the calendar itself to get here. Exploring deeper into the Edit Event dialog, we will see several areas. The first thing that is needed is a name, which must be unique to the schedule itself. Give it a name that makes sense, which will make later troubleshooting easier. Next, select the time range at the bottom. For events that begin at the start of the day, place 12 midnight as the start interval. And for those that end at the end of the day, place 11:59 p.m. in the ending interval. Alternatively, you can make the event a full day event with the button on the left. Then select your recurrence pattern here. Weekly recurrence is appropriate for things like business hours, which are the same from Monday through Friday, but may be different on the weekends. Yearly recurrence is appropriate for holidays, which only happen once per calendar year. If you want the event to end its recurrence, you can designate this here. And finally, you can save the schedule event with the Save button. There is no practical limit to the number of events your schedule can have, but you can remove them for clarity with the Delete button on the right. During this training, you learned about how to administer schedules within the Customer Administration Portal. You learned how to create schedules and edit them, and you also learned about recurring events. Thank you. Have a great day.